Alright, so we have Casey's Civic back in again. We're going to be installing the short throw shifter that he ordered like 2 weeks ago. We just haven't had time to put it in. Yeah, we'll show you how to get to installing that. Underneath the car, we're in the pit right now, so I didn't jack it up, but underneath the car, there's a shift linkage that runs to the shifter. There's a 12mm nut on one side and a 12mm hex on the other side. You'll remove the entire bolt and nut. To get those out, we'll be able to install this shifter. Alright, now that you removed the bolt and the nut, there are two 12mm, one on each side. You'll remove those as well. Now that you got the two bolts out, the 12mm here, and you've taken out the nut and bolt on the shift linkage, you're going to want to remove these two 10mm that are right here and make sure your shift knob is off. Alright, now that you got both 10mm bolts out, it'll drop down a little bit. Then you can pull it out like this. Now that you got it like this, you'll push this off of the ball here and slide it off like that. It'll curve to the front of the car. So it'll be like an arrow pointing forward. Alright, you'll take it and you'll put this one on the new one. Like that. So it'll be nice and solid. Remember, you want the front to be like an arrow pointing towards the front of the car. Then you'll take this and put it back on as well. And that's how it'll look. Now before we get to the putting this back in, we'll move to the front. Alright, now that we're at the front, you can clearly see how much play this shifter has in it. That's because the bushing's bad. We got brand new polyurethane energy suspension bushings we'll be pushing in here. So we're going to remove the 12mm from this and put these in. Alright, now that we removed it, you can see this bushing is very shot. You'll remove this little pin out of there and you can pretty much just push these through like that. Sorry, like that right there. Alright, now that I cleaned it up a little bit, you're going to want to take the energy suspension pre-lube and put some on the inside and put some on the actual polyurethane bushing itself. And then you'll just push it in. Do the same on the other side. What I like to do as well is put some on both sides and then reinstall it. Before reinstalling, go ahead and put the pin that you took out originally back in. Alright, now that you've got that done, you'll check, and as you can see, there's no more play. So this is going to be really solid now. Now before you put the shifter back in and put it all back together, you're going to want to take this factory rubber bushing out, put in this polyurethane one in this place. Alright, now that we've got that on, we'll put the piece of metal back on right before installing, but we're going to go ahead and put the shifter in. Remember, it needs to look like it's pointing forward. Alright, now that we pushed it back up to the top above the exhaust, you got these little rubber pieces that come out of your factory ones. You're going to want to put them in here. This part can be kind of difficult sometimes. Alright, so now that we got the bolt tightened back down, all the bolts are secure, everything's looking solid. I'll have Casey give it a run through the gears. Everything's looking good. Alright, now you're going to come back into the inside of the car. This is what it'll look like right here. And if you want to keep it like that, then just push that all the way down. But since this is a sleeper build, we're going to pull that up, put the stock shifter back on. like that. It still looks stock, factory. But push the clutch in. It literally takes hardly any effort to get this to go into gears. Super simple. It's just literally pushing it very lightly. Gears are super close now, so it'll be really hard to miss them. And it still retains that sleeper look. All right, that sums it up for the VMS short throw shifter install and polyurethane bushings. This thing's definitely come a long ways in a couple weeks. New paint, new suspension, short throw shifter, shifter spring inside the transmission, short gear transmission, 6-puck stage 3 clutch, solid engine mounts, the wing, and we got a few more things coming for sure, but definitely stay tuned to the channel. Like, subscribe, share. If you're new to the channel, turn the bell notifications on to get notified of every upload, and we'll have way more stuff coming. Definitely stay tuned, everyone. Thank you for watching, and God bless.